if you're tired of buying the Prismatic God Box and get the same color over and over again, in this video I will show you how to spot the colors inside without opening the box. And if you spot the colors that you already have, you can resell it without losing the value by opening the box. Hi guys, Luke Tyson here. Welcome to my channel. The thing you need is only your phone and go to the flashlight function. Then you see that these box, they don't have any seal around. You can spot it by practically push the side up. You see this hole, right? You just put the lights in. Just look at slip through those shadow and you see inside like this. And see, this one is the blue one without have to open it. And that's it guys, hope you have a great day and I will see you in the next one.